Hey there, this is Veena from Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome to Patter Cake. Today, let's make a refreshing summer drink, Jeera Soda or Jeera Masala Soda, a cooling drink made with jeera or cumin seeds, spices and lime juice. This recipe exploits the ancient knowledge we have in India about the cooling and digestive properties of cumin seeds. It's a ridiculously easy recipe for an awesome summer drink. So now let me show you how I make homemade Jeera Masala Soda right here at Patter Cake. Let's begin by dry roasting a quarter cup of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns on medium-low heat for around 5 minutes. Don't over roast these. The jeera should change color just a little. After cooling this mix for around 5 minutes, we'll grind it coarsely in a mixer grinder. Like this. It shouldn't be too finely ground. Next, we'll lightly crush around 25 to 30 mint leaves using a pestle and mortar. To the pan we used earlier, we'll add 1 cup of water and to it we'll add the ground jeera mix, the crushed mint leaves and 2.5 tablespoons of grated or crushed ginger. We'll bring the mixture to a boil with the heat on high. Then reduce the heat to medium and let it boil for around 2 minutes. Next, let's stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar. After the sugar dissolves, we'll boil the mix for around 5 minutes on medium heat till we have a slightly sticky syrup. It shouldn't be too thick, but should feel a little sticky to the touch. Finally, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and 2 teaspoons of black salt. Let's stir the jeera syrup well. Let it boil for 1 more minute and then take it off the heat. When the syrup is medium hot, we'll strain it. Like this. Let's press out the liquid from the residue. Finally, let's add 1 tablespoon of boiled water to the spice residue to extract some more flavor from it. By the way, don't discard this. It's tasty and could be used in vegetable dishes or curries. We'll now transfer the syrup to a clean, dry glass bottle. You could also use a plastic one. Here's our Jeera Soda syrup. It will stay good for a month when stored in the fridge. Those who can't have a Jeera Soda drink with sugar for health reasons could prepare a dry, sugar-free Jeera Soda premix. Here's some I made. To make this, you have to first roast the jeera and peppercorns like before. But this time, you'll have to grind the two to a very fine powder. You could further sift this powder if you don't want tiny bits of the spices in your soda. To the finely ground mix, add 1 tablespoon dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of black salt and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Then mix all the ingredients well and transfer the Jeera Soda premix to a clean, dry jar. This premix too will stay good for around a month in the fridge. Now let's prepare some cool, refreshing Jeera Soda. I'll be showing you how to prepare it with the syrup in 3 ways. However, the same 3 methods could be used for making Jeera Soda with the dry powder as well. But first, let me show you an interesting way to add an attractive touch to the rims of the glasses. You could rim the glasses with salt or fine sugar. I'll be using salt. Let's wet the outside of the rim of each glass using half of a sour lime. Like this. After you're done with the first glass, invert it on the tray because we don't want lime juice running down the sides of the glass. You could also wet the tip of a finger in water and then wet the glass rim with your fingertip instead. When you're done with all the glasses, turn them right side up and then dip the rim of each glass into some salt or fine sugar spread on a saucer. Tap the glass to shake off any excess salt. Such an easy way to enhance the look of your glasses, right? These are small 6-ounce glasses of 180 ml each. So to each one, I'll now add just 1 tablespoon of the Jeera soda syrup. For taller glasses, use 1.5 tablespoons. If you're making the sugar-free version, instead of the syrup, add 3/4 teaspoon of the dry premix. Use 1 teaspoon each for taller glasses. Next, to each of the glasses, let's add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. For taller glasses, you could make that 1.5 teaspoons. You could also add ice cubes to all 3 glasses, but that's optional. To the first glass, I'll now add some plain chilled water and stir the drink. This is perfect for those who want a non-fizzy Jeera drink. Taste it and add more water if needed. To this glass, I'll add half a teaspoon of fruit salt. For a taller glass, you could add 1 teaspoon. Use any brand of fruit salt like Eno and then pour in plain chilled water. And to this third glass, instead of Eno and water, I'll add some chilled club soda, also called sparkling water. Now let's prepare a larger glass with ice added to it. As a nice finishing touch, let's add a slice of lime and a sprig of mint. To recap what we've just done, you could enjoy a non-fizzy lime and Jeera drink or a bubbly one by stirring in club soda or else Eno and plain cold water. The choice is yours. But no matter which method you use, once you have a ready homemade syrup or premix, you'll be able to quickly and easily enjoy chilled and delicious Jeera soda all through this summer whenever you need quick relief from the heat. So do yourself and your family a favor and definitely give this lip-smacking recipe a shot. And then don't forget to share the recipe with others, okay?